I think I'll have some toast. Ba ba ba. Man, what am I supposed to eat if there's no bread through toast? Oh my gosh. Oh boy!
Living in a basement down by the railroad tracks. Her dreams have all left the station. The kids have all turned their backs. So she lies in bed and remembers when the moon hit hung so high. But with a spoon and a needle, she never has to leave the sky.
Ew, this looks... Ew! Ew! That's disgusting, man.
Gotta eat it all. Can't waste the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. The taste you can see.
Oh.
Eat it. Here, I'll eat a piece.
Oh, man.
It's not that bad. I think I'll have some more.
Yeah, you didn't make the ball. Yeah.